The latest advisory detail for Barry. It still has winds of 40 miles per hour, still a minimal tropical storm. It's still moving due to the west at 5 miles per hour, but the pressure continues to decrease, which means it is becoming more of an organized area of low pressure and a stronger area of low pressure as well. When you look at the satellite, though, you can clearly see that it's still a fairly unorganized system, mainly because all of the high clouds that you see are mainly south of the center of circulation. But as Barry becomes more organized, we're going to start to see showers and thunderstorms more so around that center of circulation. And then once we get to that point, then the threat of flooding is also going to begin to increase, mainly where the center of circulation is and then also east of where the center of circulation is. Here's the latest forecast track for Tropical Storm Barry. It is going to continue to work its way towards the west, and then by tomorrow afternoon, we're likely going to be looking at a tropical storm anywhere from 60 to 70 miles per hour, but depending on where Barry goes, it's going to start to turn towards the northwest. We're still not 100% sure where that's going to happen. A potential landfall could happen anywhere late Friday or into Saturday morning. Again, it just depends on how far east or west that center of circulation goes. We're showing that it could make a landfall just west of the mouth of the Mississippi River, or as far west as south of Lafayette, Louisiana, or southeast of Lake Charles as a potential strong tropical storm or as a Category 1 hurricane. It's then going to continue to move towards the north. Once it begins to move inland, it's going to be moving quicker, but not necessarily fast, because by Saturday afternoon, it's likely going to be still in South Louisiana, and then by Sunday afternoon, it's either going to be in western Mississippi or northern Louisiana. So the forecast cone, remember, it represents where the center of the system can go, not necessarily where the entirety of the impacts can be felt. If Barry takes more of that easterly trek and gets closer to New Orleans, we're going to feel more of the impacts in the way of the possibility of coastal flooding and very heavy rainfall.